Namaskar. You may think you are safe in your clean home, but you know that there may be some invisible chemicals hiding in your home that are harming you. Things that you use every day, such as cleaning liquids, air fresheners, furnitures, and mosquito coils, can harm your lungs, can harm your brain, and your hormonal immunity. Today, I'll tell you more about such invisible chemicals and some simple steps to reduce them. The first one is air freshener. They smell wonderful and usually they have floral scent like lavender, rose, or jasmine. But most air fresheners and scented cleaners contain volatile organic compounds. When these are released in the air, they mix with oxygen and form another harmful gas like called formaldehyde. It has been found that indoor air in some homes can be 5 to 10 times more polluted than the outside air. You may not cough immediately, but over time these vapors can cause allergies, breathing problems, and headaches. So it is better to keep just your windows open to let in fresh air. Or you may use neem leaves, cloves, or lemongrass oil diffusers for a special scent. You may even place a few drops of eucalyptus oil on cotton balls in the corners. Your house will smell pleasant and stay toxin free. Next, we have silent smokers like mosquito coils and incense sticks. Every night, many families light the coil or incense sticks. It keeps mosquitoes away and add fragrance to prayer. But when burnt in closed rooms, these release carbon monoxide and benzene. Both are harmful to the lungs. Studies show that burning one mosquito coil can release as much smoke as 100 cigarettes. Switch to neem oil lamp, potted tulsi plants, or citronella candles to keep mosquitoes away. For fragrance, try fresh flowers, sandalwood powder, or natural resin dhoop, and always keep little window slightly open for ventilation. Then there are your regular cleaning agents, your floor cleaner, dishwash liquid, and toilet spray. They promise a sparkling home, yet most of them contain harsh chemical like ammonia and chlorine that can irritate your skin and lungs. If you wish to use natural cleaners, you may choose soap nuts or Rita water, vinegar, lemon juice, or baking soda. You can also try a mix of vinegar, rock salt, and essential oil as a surface cleaner. Many Indian homes use ash from their kitchen fires and coconut fiber scrubber to clean their utensils for generations and lived a healthier life. In your modern homes, if you must use cleaning agents, you may dilute them properly before use. Another thing is your non-stick cookware. That smooth black coating on your non-stick pan contains Teflon made from a chemical called PFOA. When overheated, it releases fumes that can damage your liver and thyroid. Even birds kept near such kitchen have died from inhaling those fumes. It's better to cook in traditional utensils made from iron, clay, or steel. Plastic containers and bottles are also harmful. Storing hot dal or tea in plastic container may be convenient, but chemicals like BPA and phthalates can reach into your food. These act like artificial hormones and disturb your body's natural balance. Some studies have found that phthalates lead to infertility, obesity, and even early puberty in children. Use steel glass or clay containers. For school tiffins, choose stainless steel lunch boxes or banana leaf wrap. They are safer and more eco-friendly. Next, have you ever noticed how new furniture smells? That's not freshness, it's formaldehyde and other chemicals released from plywood, plywood glues, and foam. Breathing this over time can irritate your eyes, throat, and even raise cancer risk. So let new furniture breathe outdoors for a few days. Keep windows open and add indoor plants like areca palm or money plant which help to purify air. Same thing with your paints and varnishes. That fresh paint smells like clean and new, but it is actually loaded with VOC and lead particles. Prolonged exposure can damage nerves and reduce concentration, especially in children. Look for low VOC or natural lime based paints. Paint your home during cooler months and keep windows open for a week after painting. Detergent and fabric softeners also have hidden skin irritants. That fresh laundry smell is often a mix of artificial fragrances and chemicals like optical brightener and phosphates. These remain on clothes and touch your skin all day, leading to rashes and allergies. Use soap nuts, mild herbal powder, or half a cup of vinegar during rinsing. Clothes come out soft and clean naturally. I have given you safer alternatives for some common harmful chemicals already. Now, let me give you some tips to keep your home cleaner and your body healthy. Open your windows daily because even 20 minutes of fresh air clears toxin. Avoid spraying perfumes and insecticides directly on your body and your sheets. Wipe with wet cloths instead of dry dusting to trap invisible dust and chemical. Dry clothes and bedding in sunlight to kill bacteria. Keep salt bowls in corners to absorb humidity and trap airborne toxins. Practice deep breathing pranayam and even evening walks to strengthen your lungs. Drink plenty of water and eat detoxifying food like amla and coriander. Remember, your home should heal you and not harm you. When you reduce your harmful chemicals, your lungs breathe easier, your children grow healthier, and your surroundings stay purer. Let's make our home fragrant, not with artificial scents, but fresh air, sunlight, and calm energy of nature. Namaskar.